PIIR programme in 3 words. Firstly, it's about collaboration.
It's definitely challenging,
Exciting.
Interesting,
Innovative.
Insightful.
fun,
uncomfortable, but in a good way.
It's about novelty. How might we come up with new and interesting ways of doing things?
We're bringing together 30 early career researchers to discuss how to tackle the world's big problems.
To take some of those skills that are necessary to do this kind of work and teach them to the next generation of researchers.
We don't have small problems any longer. All our problems are large problems, and PIIR is about bringing the combined forces of multiple brains together.
Stepping back and looking at the big picture.
Something we've learned is how to suspend judgment.
If we're trying to generate potential research areas, we need to unleash creativity, and that often means coming up with ideas that seem ridiculous.
It's been nice to speak to people from very different disciplines to my own.
Psychologists, medical doctors, economists, people that know biomedical engineering.
This has really opened my eyes to see how other people from other fields of study really do impact what I do.
giving everyone's perspective, time and space is really helpful in understanding where people come from.
I may have expertise in one area, you may have expertise in something completely different, but by merging those, you create serendipity.
All you need to do really is have a shared goal rather than a shared field.
I really hope the PIIR program will
Lead to long-lasting collaborations, and that we can tackle some of the issues that are very important to us.
by creating long-lasting partnerships with people from different disciplines in which we can create some maybe proposals and solutions to the grand challenges and problems that face society today.